Today we start the topic probability distribution. In this chapter, we discuss the first distribution is Poisson distribution. Example of probability. We discuss about the example of probability. If one coin is tossed, we have two outcomes that are head and tail. These mainly given by sample space capital S is equal to H comma T. If two coins are tossed, we have outcomes capital S is equal to HH comma HT comma TH comma TT. Note that we continue up to 4 coins are tossed. We get outcomes in a form of sample space. But if more than 4 coins are tossed, we have outcomes. That is the question. It is not countable. So we must use the probability distribution concept. For this, we need Poisson distribution. In this distribution is indefinite discrete distribution when small n in bracket event occur. That means coin is tossed, if cards are spread, parameter is large and probability is p is small. Means what? The number of large event is occur and probability must be small. Then we have to use Poisson distribution. Formula p in bracket x equal to small r is given by e raised to minus m into m raised to r upon r factorial. Now we take some simple example to find the Poisson distribution. For this we have the format r factorial is there. R factorial is given by r in bracket r minus 1, r minus 2, r minus 3 up to 3 into 2 into 1. That means what? We take simple example. Example number 1. Find 5 factorial. We arrange the 5 to 1 numbers in decreasing order and multiplication is there. That means what? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That gives answer 120 using calculator. Now we take the second example. Find 6 factorial. Is in a decreasing order. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That gives 720 answer. In this format of Poisson distribution, the mean is denoted by small m. But it is defined by small m is equal to n into p, where n is number of event and small p is probability of distribution. We take the example. Example number 1. A random variable capital X follows a Poisson distribution with mean value 3.4. Find p in bracket x equal to 6. We have the formula p in bracket x equal to r e raised to m minus m into m raised to r upon r factorial. In this example, small m is equal to 3.4 and we have to find the probability for 6. So that's why r is equal to 6. We put the two values in our derived formula. So it is e raised to minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 raised to 6 upon 6 factorial. Just we discuss about the 6 factorial, that is 720 value. Direct in a scientific calculator, we derive the value of e raised to minus 3 upon 4. That is 0.033 into 3.4 raised to 6 is 15444.80. After simplify, we derive answer is 0.072. Now we take next example. Example number 2. If probability that an electric motor is defective is 0.01. What is probability? that the sample of 300 electric motors will contain exactly 5 defective motors. In this example, the give value of e raised to minus 3 is 0.0498. After reading the example, we observe that the probability is 0.01. That means it is very small. And number of events, that is n is equal to 300, they will given. That is already large. So we must find the mean and use Poisson distribution. So mean is given by n into p. We have just derived the formula. We put the value 300 into 0.01 is equal to 3. So we derive m is equal to 3. Now we take the main formula p in bracket x equal to r is equal to e raised to minus m into m raised to r upon r factorial. We put the value m is equal to 3, e raised to minus 3 equal to 0.0498 and r is 5. After putting the values, we derive 0.0498 into 243 upon 5 factorial. Answer is 0.1008. Always remind that the value of any probability distribution is always between 0 to 1. That is in a point form. So always remind the probability is not always greater than 1 in any example. So for practicing, I given two simplest example that based on solve example. So example for practice, a random variable x follows a Poisson distribution with mean 2. Find p in bracket x equal to 3. Given part is that e raised to minus 2 is equal to 0.1353. I already given the answer 0.1804. Second example, the probability of getting an defective item is 0.05. What is the probability that exactly 3 items in a sample of 200 are defective? Given part is e raised to minus 1 equal to 0.3679 and I given the answer 0.0613. You definitely solve these two examples based on this example I discussed already there. Thank you for watching video.